think y'all know that tape-ins are a game changer.
And we bring it back, Miss Maya. You know, if I had $1 for all of the times I thought I found the right one.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is DEMIYA. If this is your first time here, today I'm going to be installing and reviewing these 22-inch jet black tape-in extensions sent to me from Amazing Beauty Hair. So thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. My sister actually did my hair today, so if you want to see how we got this seamless install, just keep on watching. So the hair came packaged in this sleek box along with a comb, a duct clip, and some extra tape for you to replace it once you reinstall, and a pamphlet on how to care for your extensions. So here's my hair freshly pressed. I did dye my hair jet black to match the tape-ins, and I also deep conditioned it with some silicone mix, and I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes. So here you can kind of see the texture of the tape-ins. They don't match my hair exactly, but it's a pretty good match. Like, it blends pretty well. So she started off by splitting my hair in 2 sections, and then she sectioned off the perimeter of my hair so I can have enough coverage to wear my hair in different styles like buns, ponytails, half up, half down, what have you. So when she started installing the hair, her parts were about 8 millimeters, which is like 1/3 of an inch. But it's very simple to install. All you have to do is remove the white film to reveal the adhesive, and place that tape underneath the section with the adhesive strip facing up, and then smooth it into your hair with the comb or your fingers. And then take the other tape in and place it on top of the same piece of hair and marry them together basically. And as she was installing it, she was using a flat iron to like press the tape ins together, but I don't really recommend that because, girl, it really had them slipping and sliding out of my hair. But yeah, you can probably use like a cold flat iron, like a flat iron that's not turned on, to press it together, or just use your fingers and press real firmly, whatever. But yeah, keep repeating these steps until you reach your desired fullness. And if you know you want to wear your hair up in like half up, half down styles, make sure you don't place the tape ins where your leave out should be, of course. And for the top sections, just place them parallel to your part so it can be as flat as possible, as you would a sew-in or any other install. But yeah, that's pretty much all of my tips. So just enjoy the rest of the video. Wait, I lied, y'all. So when it comes to wearing tape-ins, you don't want to put your tape-ins too close to your roots, because if you go to like pull it up, it's going to be uncomfortable. It's not going to lay flat. It's going to have a little bulge, like a buckle in your hair. I can't explain it, but you know what I mean.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up. Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
So before this video ends, I want to give a little plug to my sister. She does offer microlink and tape-in services here in Atlanta. So if you're interested, get at her. Her Instagram is Dope Miami and Collective Beauty Lounge. I'll have her links down below so y'all can check it out. But yeah, these tape-ins are it. Definitely converted after this. They were super soft and manageable. They're pretty secure as long as you don't manipulate them too much. And it didn't really shed. Like, the only shedding I noticed was from my own hair. And I knew it was my hair because the pieces were short and like it was my texture. But yeah, they were full from root to tip. I went to Houston with them this weekend and they held up so well. I also wanted to say that for it to be straight hair, the curls held up pretty well. Don't get too excited though because it is straight hair, like I said. But if you like wearing a nice loose curl, then this hair is perfect. But yeah, even though it says that this hair is 22 inches, it was more like a 24 inch. So we love that. But yeah, all in all, I love this hair. And I do hope they add more textures to their website for Black women because tape-ins are definitely on a rise. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to engage with me down below because I love talking to y'all. And the coupon code will be in the comment section. So just check the pinned comment if you're interested in purchasing some tape-ins from ABH. And I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.